Good morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 12.2 second problem. Okay, right. Now see question. What is given in the question? Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Solution. I am going to solve this. First of all, write the given information. Given circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. What is the formula of circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 22. Now by sending 2 pi at right hand side, you will get r equal to 22 by 2 into pi to 11. So r is 11 by pi value 22 into 7. 11 to 1. So 7 by 2 is the radius. 7 by 2 is the radius. Now what we are going to find? We are going to find area of quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means if you divide this circle by two perpendicular lines, then you will get 4 parts. Here each part is known as quadrant. Divide the circle by two perpendicular lines. You will get 4 parts. Each part is known as quadrant of a circle. So these are perpendicular, no? So everywhere it is 90 degrees. Right? Now we are finding one quadrant area. So I am going to find one quadrant area, this area. And see here, this is the center. Suppose I am taking this point as AB. Then OAB is what? Sector. So we are finding the sector area. To find the sector area, we should know the angle. Angle is what? 90 degrees. And we have the radius. So I am going to find area of quadrant. Now area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of a circle is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Now theta value is 90 degrees by 360. Pi value 22 by 7. R square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 177 cancel. 0 0 9 1 are 9 4 are 2 are 11. So what we got? We got 77 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrant of a circle. 77 by 8 centimeter square. Okay, right. Next, problem number 3. Problem number 3. See what is given. The length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand. Length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand of a clock. Is 14 centimeters. Is 14 centimeters. Find the area. Find the area swept by the minute's hand. The minute's hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Right? Suppose I am taking wall clock. I am taking a clock as a circle. Right? Suppose and this is right hours hand and this is minutes hand. This is hours hand and this is minutes hand. See in the figure. First you write what is the given information. The length of the minute hand is 14 centimeters. So length of the minute hand means this one is 14 centimeters. So can I consider this as a radius, right? Given length of minute hand of the minute hand. Minute hand is equal to 14 centimeters. I am taking this as radius, that equal to 14. Radius is given already 14 centimeters. right? Now we are finding the area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, suppose it is at this is 6 on clock, this is 5, say this is 4 and 3, 2, 1, 12. So after 5 minutes, minute hand will be at 6 o'clock, right? At 6, the position of the minute hand at 6. So in 5 minutes it will rotate, it will cover some distance. We need to find this distance. The area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes. So we are going to find this area. To find this area, observe the figure, it is in the form of sector. So to find the sector area, we need radius. Already we have the radius, we need angle also. Angle is not given, we have to find the angle here first. Then after we can find the area swept by the minute hand. Right. See, in 60 minutes, the minute hand will rotate total circle. It will sweep the total circle. It will cover total circle in 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, minute hand, we know that in 60 minutes, minute hand rotate 360 degrees, right? In 360 degrees, minute hand rotates 360 degrees, in 1 minute. If it rotates 360 degrees in 60 minutes, in 1 minute how many degrees it will rotate? In 1 minute it will rotate 360 degrees by 60 degrees, right? In 1 minute it will rotate 360 degrees by 60 degrees. So in 1 minute theta equal to 360 by 60, right? In 1 minute 360 by 60. In 5 minutes how much degrees it will cover? So in 5 minutes theta equal to 360 into 5, right? Now simplify this, 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36. So theta equal to 30 degrees. So in 5 minutes it will make angle 30, it will rotate 30 degrees angle. Okay, minute hand will rotate 30 degrees angle. Now I got theta. Now I am going to find area of the sector, which is covered by the minute hand. Now required area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Right. So already we have 30 degrees angle and we know the given radius is 14, right? Is equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square again. What is theta? 30. Theta is 30 degrees here, 30 by 360 into pi, 22 by 7, and r square, 14 into 14, right? 7 1 the 7 2 the 14, 0 0 cancel, 3 1 the 3 2 well the 6 the 2 11 the 3 the. So 11 into 14, 11 4 the 44, 11 1 the 11, 154 by 3 centimeter square is the area of the sector which is covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes, right? Okay. Next problem, fourth problem. See what is given. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. Circle radius 10 centimeters. So a chord subtend right angle at the center. This is the chord in the figure. AB subtending 90 degrees at the center of the circle and radius 10 centimeters is given. Right? Find area of the corresponding minor segment, major sector. Minor segment means this one. The area lies between chord of the circle and arc of the circle is known as minor segment. We need to find this minor segment area. And in second problem, major sector. Major sector means the area bounded between two radii and arc of the circle is called sector, and in this OAB is minor sector and OAB this side, this is major sector. This is major sector. So we are going to find major sector area also, right? Now let us do the problem. Let us solve it. Now see what is given. Given radius, given r equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, and theta made by chord at the center is 90 degrees. First of all, to get this minor segment area, I will find total sector area, smaller sector area, OAB. Let me take this as P. Here I am taking Q for the sake of continuity. So I will find OAPB area, sector area. Why? Because we have theta and we have radius. So we can find the minor sector area. After getting minor sector area, from minor sector area, I will remove this triangle area. Automatically you will get minor segment area. Now, area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. OAPB. Area of minor sector OAPB is equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? It is given 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 22 by 7 and r square. R is 10 into 10. Right? Now 0, 0, 9 4s are 36, 2 11s are 2 5s are. That equal to 11 into 50 by 7. 11 into 50 by 7. 11 0 0, 11 5 are 55 by 7. This is, so 550 by 7 centimeter square is minor sector area. Right? Now 550 by 7. Now I am finding area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB. Half into base into height. What is the base? Here this is 90 degrees, means you can take this as base, then it will be the height. If you take this as a base, this will be the height. So base and height both are radius. So 10 into 10. So 50 centimeter square is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now I will find minor segment area. Now therefore minor segment area. This is minor sector area. Minor sector area, right? But I need minor segment area. Minor segment area. Minor segment area. How we can get minor segment area? From the sector area, remove the triangle area. My area of minor sector. Area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. Right. Area of minor sector is 550 by 7 minus area of triangle is 50. Right. Right. Now by taking LCM, 7 is the LCM, 550, 7 5s are 35. 350. 550 minus 350, 200. 200 by 7. 200 by 7 centimeter square is area of minor segment. Now to get major sector area, I will find total circle area. From the total circle area, if you subtract this minor sector area, automatically you will get major sector area. Now area of circle. Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. 22 by 7 into 100. So 2200 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of circle. Now I am going to find area of major segment. Sorry, area of major sector. Area of major sector. Major sector. How to get area of major sector? Area of circle. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Minor sector. Area of minor sector. Area of circle is what? 2200 by 7 minus area of minor sector, what we got, 550 by 7, right? Now by taking LCM, 7 is the LCM, from 2200 subtract 550, what you will get, 2200 minus 550, 0 5 11 6 1 1650 centimeters square is area of the major sector, and we got area of minor segment also. Okay, right. Now problem number 5. See what is the given question. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, radius of the circle is 21 centimeters. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees. An arc subtends angle 60 degrees. We have radius and angle. We are going to find the angle, the length of the first problem, and second one, the area of the sector formed by the, third one, the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Okay, to find these three problems, let me draw the figure. According to question, I am drawing the figure here. I am taking one circle with center O. Okay, right, I am taking two radii here, each radius 21 centimeters. Okay, and this is ACB is an arc. See here, ACB is some arc here, and according to question, an arc subtends 60 degrees at the center. Suppose I am taking an arc ACB. This subtending some angle 60 degrees at the center. Okay, then we have to find the length of the arc. We have to find this length from A to B. Length of the arc. We know the formula, then how to find length of the arc. If you know theta and r, we can find the length of the arc. Okay, that is first problem. Second problem, we have to find area of the sector. Area of the sector, again we have the angle, radius, we can use the formula. Directly you can find the area of the sector. Next, third one, area of the segment forced by the corresponding chord. What is corresponding chord? By line joining of AB, you will get one chord. So for the third question, first and second directly we can find. For third question, we have to find area of the segment forced by the corresponding chord. Area of the segment forced by this chord means this area we are going to find. Okay, to find this area, we need triangle area and sector area. From sector area, remove the triangle area, automatically you will get the segment area. Right. Now I am going to solve the given question. Right. First I will find length of arc. Next I will find area of the sector. Solution. Given arc 21 centimeters, theta 60 degrees. Okay. First problem. Length of arc. Length of an arc is denoted by in the figure ACB. Length of an arc ACB is equal to, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta value 60 by 360 into 2, 22 by 7. R value 21. 7 3 is 21. 0 0 6 3 is 3 cancel. So that is 22 centimeters. 22 centimeter length of the arc. Right? I got length of the arc. First problem over. Now to find area of the sector. Second problem. Area of the sector. Area of the sector. It is denoted by OABC. OABC. Total area. OABC is equal to, again formula, theta by 360. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60. 60 by 360. 6 pi 22 by 7. R 21 into 21. 7 3 is 21. 3 2 is 2 11. 11 into 21. 11 1 is 11. 1 carry. 11 2 is 22. 231 centimeter square is area of minor sector. 231 centimeter square is area of the sector. Right? Now third problem. What we got? Area of the sector. I will write here. Area of sector OACB is equal to 231 centimeter square. Right. Now to find third one, area of the segment forced by the chord, we need area of the triangle. See, area of the triangle. See, in this OA, OB are radius. First I will find the area of the triangle. We know that OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. So this is isosceles triangle first. So this theta and this theta will be equal. Right? Angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB. Sum of three angles in triangle is equal to 180. Already AOB is given 60 degrees and these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Why? Because OA OB are equal. So we can write in place of OBA, we can replace by again OAB is equal to 180. 2 angle OAB is equal to, right? 180 minus 60. 180 minus 180 minus 60. 2 OAB is equal to 120. OAB equal to angle OAB is equal to again 120 by 2, which is 60. So therefore angle OAB, angle OBA both are equal to 60 degrees and AOB also 60 degrees. 60 60 60 means the triangle is isosceles, equilateral triangle, right? The triangle is equilateral triangle. Therefore we can conclude that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, what is the area? Area of triangle OAB. Root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side. What is the side here? Side is 21. What is the side? Side is 21. Okay. Here 21 into 21. 21 into 21. That will be 441. 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Okay. This is the area of the triangle. Now we have sector area, total area, and we have this triangle area. If I subtract this triangle area from this area, you will get required segment area. So required segment area. Segment area forced by chord AB. Chord AB is equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. Right? That equal. By taking LCM, 4 1 the 4 3 the 12, 1 carry 4 to the 8, 9. 9 24 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square is the required segment area forced by chord AB. Right? 90.